My friends, I seem to be making a video every single day. So, what does this mean? I've got a new tool or an update. Well, in this particular video, we've got an update. Now, you know, as a Buildabizonline member, we have a few tools for free members. Okay, so if you click on there, you'll see the simple banner builder, and it's functional and it's good. But if you want an all singing and all dancing, you need to become a pro member. Okay, and that makes sense that our pro members should get more than the free members, because they're contributing to keeping this fantastic business up and running. Now, I'm going to tell you something. Excuse me. Did you know that we have some members upgraded just for our tracking? Okay, so you can go into the Pro Tools and you can find, let me have a look. I'm going to open this in a new, oops, wait a minute. I'm going to click on that and open that up in a new window. Open link in a new tab rather, and I'm going to go down here, and you can come down here. You can see our Cloak, track, shortener, and branding. Okay, now some people join just for that. And did you know a lot of people have joined for, see this, our splash and capture page template builder just here. Okay, you can build. This is a template builder. So if I close that down, you alter all this later on when we come to this step just here. But you can make some marvelous capture pages and splash pages using this tool. Okay, so let me just shut that down. Now, another lot of people have joined us. Do you know what for? This tool. So let's click on now. The new Pro Banner Generator. Now, Martin has updated this today, which is the 26th of February. Nearly another month gone, guys. But there you go. Now, what has he added? Right, for those that have got really good eyes and have used this quite a lot, and we do know that a lot of people are using this because people are building banners and adding them all over the place. So we do know that people are using this right now. If for those beady-eyed amongst us, you see this little button? That's one of the updates. You can now add, can't quite see that, can you? You can now add an image background. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back over here, and I'm going to click on Pro Tools, and I'm going to come down here, and I'm going to go to, I don't know, let's go to our free image hosting, okay, that Pro members get. And I'm logged into this because I've added a few banners under this account. So I've got two accounts, but this one, I'm just going to add some, go to the images that I've added. So there's an ugly picture of me, and there's my gorgeous wife, and there's a pussycat. So I'm just going to, let's have a look. I'm going to add this one. So what I do is left click on it. I left click on it again, which opens up in this window, and I'm going to right click on it and copy the image address. I'm going to see if this works. Okay, so I'm going to click on there, just like that, and I'm going to add this, and let's see what it looks like. Now, in some of our template sizes, for instance, the 468 times 60 that I'm working on now, it will not show all of the picture. Okay, but it will give a nice background. Okay, so I'm going to add that. Okay, so let's have a look. Now you can see it there, which looks probably too ridiculous, but if I choose a template and click on, say, this one, And I believe that Martin is going to be adding even more pre-built things. But the great thing about this is you can click on this image and alter it. You can click on this and alter it. Okay, so that's a good thing. But that sort of fits in just nice. It's just got a bit of a background colour. What I would probably do is alter that. So let me just alter that text. And what I'm going to do, let's build something. Build a biz online for all your, and then I'm going to put 3 dots, and in here, affiliate marketing tools, and can we get that in? Training, yeah. Okay, so now that don't stick out very good, so let's just alter the text colour on there. So I'm going to alter it as white as I can. That sticks out a lot better. Okay, now let us say I have built that and I'm happy with it. Okay, you can also fill in these colours in the back. Let's just have a look, see if I'm right on that one. So let's just put something. Let's have a look. Let's just do a lighter. Let's see if I'm right. Yes, there we go. Okay, so we've actually filled in this colour at the back. You can alter this as many times as you want to. So let's just do that. Okay. So let us say that I'm happy with that. I can click download and right click, save image as, and then I'm going to put download 1. And I'm going to click save, and that will save it onto my desktop. Let us say now we want to make a bigger banner. So what we're going to do, I'm going to choose the size first of all, say 728 times 9. Okay, so there we have it. And let us say that we wanted to keep up with that theme of showing that. Okay, now obviously I would have to add a lot more text on that to fill this out. And incidentally, I'm just going to show you this. I'm just going to do a crazy thing, and I'm going to tag that on twice just to show you, look, that however much text you add, it does go underneath. Now, it will go stupid and overflow if you go and add too much. It won't make the banner bigger. Okay, so just be careful, think it out, and see what you're going to do. Okay, right. So, and I've just spotted. Please make sure you don't do what I do, guys, because I forgot to capitalize that one. I'll do it on this one. Okay, that's better. An affiliate training. And then we've got the word affiliate. So I'm just going to take that out. Now, let's say I was happy with that, which I'm not, because I would put more text in it, but I would click the download the banner. So now you've got 2 sizes. Okay, so you will right click on that, save image as, and then you would put 2. Okay, and we'll click save. Right, now let's say that we wanted another size, say 600 by 30. Wow, look at that. Let's go with the same theme-ish, and we'll click on to that one. And there we have it. And we'll have to put a real lot of text in here. Okay, so whatever you want to do, you do. Let's just click, see if this works. No, it didn't work. Let's have a look. Whoop, come on, did I click it? That's better. Yeah, you'll have to add a lot of information in there. Let's click the same template. There we have it. Okay, so it's just fantastic the things that Martin has been able to do with that background, and also the fact that now it saves all the information so you can make different size banners. So let's just save, and then I'm going to go that one with 3. Okay, and save. Now, you know as well as I do that over at this now, what we can do is just click off there and go to home. Okay, and I can now click in here and go to my desktop and click that one. Okay, and there it is, just down here. Ignore all this, guys. I'm hoping to fix this very shortly, because that is not the image. That is not the banner image there. In fact, it is from there to there, in between those marks there. Okay, but I'll show you another way to do it. Left click again, and then left click again. And then you can right click and you can click copy the image address. I'm going to open up a new tab now that you can't see, and I'm going to paste it into my browser, and I'm going to click enter, and there it is. That is that banner that we built. Okay. Now you may want to, if you want to, you can change this. Don't forget you can change the images, and you can change this as well to another type. Okay, so that is it. That's the new update, and you watch Martin go and add something else to it. So I have to make a new video. I don't mind. But there we have it, guys. It is a fantastic tool, and I'm telling you now, get advertising, build your banners, and even put this banner was built at Buildabizonline. Something like that. Click here to build yours now, and they can sign up as a free member, building your list. And don't forget, you can mail your list, those in your downline, and just build your list, and hopefully people will upgrade, which they are doing. They can choose the free tool, the Simple Banner Builder, if that's what they're looking for. So they can have a look down here, Simple Banner Builder. We've also got Make Your Banners clickable there as well. So we've added that as well. Okay. So yeah, do that. Make some banners. Say this banner was built at Buildabizonline. Put your link in it, and then and we'll show you how to do that in there. Make your banners clickable. We'll show you how to make these banners clickable. And shall I show you? Look, you see there. There's the banner URL. You would put that in there. So we've still got it saved on here. Let's have a look. Paste. Click anywhere out of the box. There it is. Okay. So change the text. This banner was built at Buildabizonline. And you can put for free if you use the free one, and then put your Buildabizonline link in there and see how many people you get sign underneath you. And as I say, what you can do then, if you go over to your members area and you click on this link, you will see if you've got a downline. Okay, it's not hard to sign people up to Buildabizonline. And what you can do then is email your downline afterwards. So that is a massive update today. You've got a lot of information to process. So thanks for listening. Bye-bye for now, and we'll see you in the next video.